the short commercial break. You're still with me, Salma Islam, and you're hosted our professional chef, Munira. Tulesenga tukyasiika ennyaanya zaffe era zikyali are they ready yet?
Yes, kati mweno process yennyini woteramu all your ingredients.
Okay.
Kati ngenda teekamu ka tomato paste nga we nagambye ingredients are tailored to a user's taste. Naye for my sake sagala nnyo birungo bingi because omanye ebirungo it depends oyinza owa omuntu nga si wa birungo nnyo. So this is my garlic.
Munira, for you you're basically a delivery person.
Yes.
Juicer, right?
Yes.
Bikaki bya juice byatubiri.
Ebya juice nkola ka milk meld, nkola cocktail, nkola watermelon, nkola michungwa juice, passion juice. I do all juices. Mention it, name it, I deliver.
Even that.
Strawberry juice, kiwi juice. So remember twabadde twablendinze gundi yaffe garlic waffe. So this is where it comes in. Oteekemu nga ekyali fresh ogiwe kagundi akawunya.
Okay, is this the point where we put the meat as well?
Yes. Now spices zaffe zonna tuziteramu mweno gungi, mweno level. You estimate what is enough.
Okay. So ennyaanya otegeera wanti kati ennyaanya zange ziri.
Of course ziba zikoze paste. This is a paste. Walaba nga zikoze this paste awo omanya nti we are good to go. So tugenda kati tugatamu our minced meat. Oteekamu gw'olaba nti akola ki, nti amala. So for starters this will be enough, but remember you pre-boil. Osooka n'omutokosaamu before. That is pre-boiled.
Okay, waliwo abantu abaagala okufumba minced naye bwamufumba yonna abeera nga yeekutte wali. So which step do you give the people out there?
Nga akoze atya nga yeekutte
nga akozeemu ebiddu.
Ati when you're boiling oteekamu ka oil katono. You know oil acts as a separator. Kati we tuba tufumba tuyina kye tuyita separator. Ebintu obuteekwata, you can abatagala nnyo buto, you can try natural oils. You can try olive oil. So kati ngenda kugatamu some little water.
Do you expect the pasta to be juicy?
No. Olina okukola akantu like ekinyongesezaamu amazzi okuwa allowance bitokote nga tebyekutte. Now usually when I'm doing this meat, like when banji boiling mubamu some salt. So kyenkola wetuuka kweno stage, that's why I added some little salt okugiwa fresh taste of the salt.
So the salt gives us a fresh taste?
Yes. Okugiwa fresh taste, but remember when you're pre-boiling ng'oba otokusa oteekamuko some little salt.
Okay. Kati waliwo n'abalwazi ba pressure.
Waliwo iodized salt.
I think this is iodized.
This is iodized salt. Nze mu kiyungu kyange nkozesa only natural supplements. So that's iodized salt. Eri friendly. Kati bino obirekako for like 4-5 minutes. So this is the point where you bring these.
So you have to binosooka n'obiteekayo emabbali.
Obiteeka emabbali n'obiteekamu because kati green pepper ali fresh abiwa that fresh aroma nebiba nga biwunya birungi. And kana akantu kakolanga, it's called waliwo kye bakayita kabanga ka salad akasalad akafumbe. That's why we use carrots and green pepper. It can be red pepper, yellow pepper, anything, but I've chosen green pepper with carrots. So obeera omixinga to to see that buli part yonna etuukako omuliro. Yeah. Then here ngenda teeka my cube, my curry cube. Yeah, you can use any cube. It can be curry. Akanza ali konna gwe kooyagala. So kati nze akange ke kano. So since it's a cube, I spread it evenly.
Yes, I think you can spread it to the aroma.
Yes. Okawulira we kawunyisa bulungi. I wish abalabi basobola oyitawo ne ba. So, we'll omaze to obiwa those 5 minutes, and then our thing is ready. Naye remember towerabira nti the minced meat you pre-boil it mpaka nga eyidde.
Can I cook it like frying once?
You can fry it once, but I would best advise you first pre-boil. Yes, for best results. Obutemenya nti ate kati siika, you know, ebyanga nyama. Kati just imagine eating tiny pieces of beef nga ate tebu.
So wano tugenda bisisire dakika mmeka?
Kati wane no tubeera tumaze. Yes, our meal is ready. Some people would prefer nga mulimu some little sauce, but since it's something small, toteekako nnyo sauce mungi. Just kali otuzo oyiwamu katini to help mu kutokota. Yes. So, waneeno ennyama yaffe ebeera eyidde. We can now turn off our gas. So after turning off our gas, tugenda kunoonya dish, serving plate. Okay. Yes.
So it's our serving time?
Yeah, serving time. Okay. Remember, you know, pasta waffe gwe tusoose okutokosa. So tumufuna, ne tumujja, ne tuteekako. Some people prefer nga you've mixed. Okay. Or abamu, you can either bring this normal mixing, but usually nze wemba maze nteekako such that obeera ne taste ngeri unique.
And you can you can taste the macaroni alone.
Oba n'omuntu n'omuwa that privilege to taste on their own.
And mix whatever they want to.
Yes.
So everything is ready.
Everything is ready.
So what you're doing there now, it's what we call plating.
Kati kino eno mbeera ntegeka.
Otegeka mmere.
Mbeera ntegeka. So kati omuntu kisinziira ye ky'oba okola. Gawedde. You know, it's so essential woba okoledde okuba nga wakola ki nga wali clean. You know, a dirty environment is always a turn off. So you can either
this is amazing.
You can decide to mix, but me I prefer nga omuntu yemixingidde. Yeah, so you can test and give me the results.
Okay, so I just have to like get a pasta and then get the meat.
You can decide to mix, but since...
So you want me to test everything?
Yeah, sorry. Test everything. It's so healthy. That's why nkugambye nti w'oteekamu bino ebirungo n'otabi overheating kino waba alya something nice, tasty naye nga tekiri healthy. Tasty, nice and healthy. Yes. How is it? How did you find the food?
Well, your pasta is nice. It is really cooked. The mixture of spices is amazing.
Thank you.
Professional. It turned out very nice and it was really tasty. Well done, Munira.
Thank you so much.
So what is your last word to our viewers?
My last word?
Yeah.
Mwejumbira okola research, mwegenge ebintu ebipya. You know, even to the marrieds, the non-marrieds, everyone, oba it could be ku baana bo anywhere. Omanya abantu bagala nnyo ekintu nga kipya all the time. So that's creativity. The research egenda kuyamba ku creativity such that producing ekintu nga kipya nga kiwoomu nga tekiri healthy. Okay. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. It has been Miss Salma Islam, and of course, we are sponsored by Pishi. Ndoza Mulavan, and the Pishi faster. You're late, you're doing anything. Pishi gas is the way to go. It has been a Saturday evening. Behind the camera, there is Nohar, there is my producer Sibu. What a bunyo. Have a blessed Saturday. It has been Miss Salma Islam. Hi guys, this is Salma Islam. Thank you so much for always studying in Salam TV, and today I bring you our sponsors, Ola Energy. Today I'm with an amazing person who is going to teach us how we can be home safe with using gas, and we are safe. Welcome, Mr. Steve.
Thank you for having me on your show this evening.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. So,
you know, we have got a lot of questions. We talk when we always on our shows, and we're like, we are sponsors by Ola Energy and the makers of Pishi gas. So people are like, I want to get that gas, but I'm scared on how to turn it on how to use it. A lot of questions pop up. So, Mr. Steve, I think you're here to answer them all.
yeah, thank you. We're going to answer that very, very shortly. But before we get to that, I would like to demonstrate to you how to buy a cylinder which is safe.
Okay.
The very, very first thing is you have to ensure when you're buying a cylinder that it has this white cap. It is called a dust cap. Now, this dust cap number one is a sign of quality, is a sign of the product from the right distributor. If you buy a cylinder and it doesn't have a dust cap, please know that cylinder is not being bought from a certified oil Libya distributor or a point of sale. Okay. So you could be buying a product that is not genuine.
Well, people have already used it.
Yeah. Okay. So this dust cap is also good for safety because what it does, it prevents dust from entering this valve down here. Okay. So when you put on your burner, sometimes there's always be leaking because there is dust inside. Yeah, so that is number one. Number two is you must always make sure that there's, the setting and your accessories are properly done and fastened on the cylinder. So the first thing is when you've bought, you make sure you put your burner into place, because this is called a burner. And then here we have what we call a grill. So when you get a burner, you make sure you have fastened it properly, and then you put on the cylinder, roll it slowly and nicely until it is properly tight.
Okay.
And then you can always put your grill on top, and then you are good to go. So this time round, basically what we need to talk about safety. Yeah. Now, gas is very clean and very safe, but it's only safe if it is used according to the rules. I have seen most people, first of all, switching on the burner and then lighting the matchbox. That is extremely dangerous, because what happens then is once you switch on the burner, it means gas is already in the air. When gas is already in the air, when you strike your matchbox, you're likely to get into danger. So you advise, first of all, you strike your matchbox, pull it near the burner, and then switch it on slowly.
Okay. So, Mr. Steve, if any of these items are missing, either the grill or the burner, or anything, or is this gas safe to be used?
If this item, like I mentioned, this item you bought a cylinder and this item is not on the cylinder, that cylinder is not safe for you to use
Okay,
at
Mr.
all.
Steve, when I'm going to refill my gas, do I still expect this to be on my gas?
Exactly. Every cylinder you're going to refill, they give you a cylinder, refill cylinder, it must always have a dust cap. And this dust cap is properly marked, it's marked Ola. So any dust cap you have that is not marked Ola is plain, that is a counterfeit. So that is not an Ola genuine product.
Okay, so whenever you buy, you have to be careful. When you
Exactly.
buy. Okay, so how do I know that now my gas is done?
Unfortunately, these small cylinders don't have gauges, so probably it will go off when you are cooking. So that's why you always have to be to always probably have another one ready for you to.
Okay, so you have
Yeah.
to have.
But what we have done is to take care of those contingencies. What we have done is we are doing home deliveries.
Okay.
So the cylinder gets off on the way when you are cooking. You get on our flyers. You
Just
call.
call.
There's always someone nearby to deliver it at home.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
Is it delivered at a fee or?
No, there's no extra fee added.
Really?
Yeah.
It's just free delivery.
It is free delivery.
Okay, why don't you
Yes.
get for yourself
Yeah.
and all that girls? Okay, so what else do people need to know about all that?
What we all need to know again is gas always has some smell. That smell is not gas in its natural form doesn't smell. That smell has been induced in specifically to be able to trigger your attention. So if you hear the smell, please do not turn on gas.
Okay.
If you hear the smell, please open up your windows and doors for it to evacuate yourself. If you get into your house and there is smell, please, you can always pull the cylinder and put it outside. You'll be still very safe.
Okay, Mr. Steve, there is a time when the burner blocks.
Yes.
Yeah.
What happens normally is naturally our ladies are normally very clever. What normally happens immediately after cooking or when they are cooking, there's always food pouring all over. And then sometimes when they finish cooking, they always get, let's say, a stuffed pan. And after washing utensils, you leave the saucepan on the grill, on top of the gas. So what happens is the water always settles around this area on the burner, which causes rusting.
Rusting, yeah.
Yes, that is what normally happens. So all you need is make sure when you are cooking, your saucepan doesn't have to be overflowing so that you block up these areas.
Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, some of these things, the only remedy is probably buy a new burner if it is blocked.
And how much does a new burner go for?
Us, we sell them for 15,000.
15.
15,000
Okay,
only.
that's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything that we need to know about Ola Energies?
Ola Energy, welcome to cooking with Ola Energy this season. We really want to encourage people to use Mpishi gas, especially during this season and thereafter. Mpishi is bringing you a very good product, a very safe product, a fairly cheap product. We are running a mega discount promotion this period, where this whole cylinder plus everything is only going for 148, and the other big cylinder is only going at 242. So
With everything there, the pipe.
everything, yes, everything. You take it away at 242.
And how much is refilling?
Refilling this one is 53,000, and refilling the 13 kg is 105.
Okay.
Yes.
105,000.
Yes.
And how many sizes do you have?
We have the 6 kg pack, we have 13 kg pack, we have 40 kg pack, we have 45 kg pack, and we have the 50 kg pack. So in total, we have five packs.
Okay, so
Yes.
even if you're in a restaurant, like, you know what, I have a very big restaurant, Ola Energies got you covered.
Absolutely.
Mr. Steve, thank you so much for coming over and elaborating for us to make sure that whoever is watching us, how they must be in safety hands. Your last words to our viewers, so we could say bye-bye.
Stay safe during this Christmas and New Year holidays with Mpishi.
Okay. Have a blessed Saturday. It has been me, Salma Islam. Bye-bye.